Yo, check this out. This is Wayne Wonder, representing for Warieka LTV. You see the vision, don't it? See the vision. Warieka LTV. Keep it locked.
No, I'm gonna tell you. We, us as bloggers, these are the issues that we need to address. You understand what I say? You see? Set the path for the youth. Share, like, and subscribe and stay tuned to the channel because I don't know all this. Yes, I. Greetings in the mighty name of His Imperial Majesty Emperor Selassie I the First. You see it? Don't know. Come forget movie star one reason in the morning, yeah? So share, like, and subscribe. See? Welcome all viewers and subscribers. See? You say a youth kill a man out of Harbour view. Most dramatic way. Recently, when go over the man's body, what appears to be an incapacitated body, and fire some more gunshot in the man's face. Really graphic, really you know, mean. But me all a reasoning with me now. Still, see, you me I say you look like you plan for go to prison long before you even kill a man. That man that must do some serious thing. You know, see, must do some serious thing. For you can, where you would want to do it like that, which is kind of unlikely. Well, one of the likelihood, you're going to do some serious thing and you want to make an example of time like that and you don't care. And you plan to say you care no more and you decide to go to prison or face whatever consequence come with, you know. You know what, and you know hide the way I do. You know, see it, you do it with meaning, you make an example. You see it. One of the scenario where I play out in my head when me see the gravity of how you do your crime. See? The next scenario is that somebody pay you for do it. See? And tell you say you have a video it and send the video come give them. Oh. It happened. The two are sick and twisted and need medical help. See? One, people don't collect trophy from crime like that. See? And two, even the man will do it. Him not just sick for himself alone, him sick for the two of them. You see it? Come up with an idea like that. First thing, when the police get your phone, not if you know. When them get your phone, the first message where you send, the first person where you send that video letter, because once you send it, you know, first person where you send that video letter, I want to tell you the technology stay away, you know where. You say once police get all of the video, them can track it right back to its source, you know. Yeah, man. Yes, I. And the police I just know say it's the second person where, because it's not the cloud for one, and it's up on the mobile mass and them thing there. Them don't have the video already. Just a source of the video them I try find. You know, see, it's not the video. The video might not be in the cloud accessible to them, but the mobile feed, the connection and them thing there. You know? Yeah. I've seen them done it. I see people dead and car drive past and things like that, and everybody will drive past within the time frame of time when the person suspected to have been killed was contacted by the police and at base through them phone pass the area at that time. You know, see it, so it's possible. Long time, 28 years ago that too. You know, see it? Yeah. You know, see it. So the officer them all know say the first person where you share that video with is the next sick son of a bitch where encourage you or advise you and pay you for do that video there. You know, see, because more than if it's a trophy type of thing you collect, you don't want to keep it for yourself. And something you walk and advertise. The carelessness about that was if the police come across you accidentally or somewhere somehow and see you with the video, then I saw it to link you to it, you know, or find it in the archive somewhat. You know, see it. And something where trophies, where the sick trophy killer them like yourself would want to keep or collect. And, you know, so more than likely the scenario is that somebody pay you to do it and tell you to send that come as evidence, which you did stupidly. You see, and police will find him too easy. This is the 1960. And in 1960, we call it, yeah, we call them mafia there in America. And for them type thing, this a go on here. So we take a picture of the dead body and you see, seeing? Now, you don't follow your life. You know, see, because see, they gone viral you now. And, you know, the tattoo went up on your hand, if you did get arrested before, more than likely, a one-time careless character like yours would have gotten arrested before in the past. You see, and the tattoo on your hand would have been type of thing where the police them call, make me say significant marking. You see, significant body features. You see, and them have to tag it. You see, now them have the picture of the tattoo and thing like that. All them have to do is go work in them thing, go through what them have go through if it did ever happen, that's that. You know, see, and observe and try and match back the description of your tattoo with what's in document. And then them identify who do the killing. You see it and know who do it. You see it. And other evidence there again, we're going to link you to the crime where I'm not going to even suggest. You see it. But it only goes to show, say, it's like the motivation behind the killing, regardless of what, you never plan to get away with the killing there, any at all. You know, see it. You have a point for proof, and you take your point to the extent, to the extreme where you introduce a new type of crime to the society, one like them never seen before. Such callousness seen where you video yourself on camera. I mean, I diminish the ability of the Jamaica police force, or them resource. You see, me just don't say, apply effectively to crimes like these at times. That's why youth like you can think you can do things like these and might be able to get away with it, might be successful somewhat, I don't know. You see, but the police force resourceful enough for know how to do it. And them are gonna know how. Why? Because of the introduction of the new style of video filming, the movie star type of killing, which is an insult to for them present. It's like them don't exist, Rasta. You see it? Yeah, it's like them don't exist. When you know the things like that on the island, and you don't know, the same youth, them and the same blood run through them, and the same breath and ear them breathe, and the same ego in them, and the same nature at the society raise them, see it. And them ego get crushed with that one. They not talk bruise, barely. Now man, you stand up and police heart and soldier heart with that Rasta. You gotta show them so them not effective. Them not worth the uniform where them are walking. You see it. Soldier and police no, them not honorable. And that to not tell them say, see it. Them is nothing. And that me feel like that me hardly feel like police exists, active police exist in a society where criminals that choose to do a thing like that, video it and publish it. You see it, it's all about getting viral. You see it. So in any which case, whether you want to get famous from it, whether you get paid to do it, whether you is a mistake or what, nah man, you not think the police effective enough. I can catch you. I can punish you, like even society can't punish you. You tell society say there isn't enough punishment for murder. You see it? Now, this is education for the other rest of killing them and crime of them with around you. You see it? You potentially just lengthen the time, the sentence for gun crime and homicide type of attempt, intent, and crimes like these. Because with your action, that's the final straw, That's a final straw. I just saw the world a fight against death sentence. Why you not just bring it back in a youth? Me I tell you that. You see it? And for your friend them need if you know say you are them killer if them continue harbor you like that. Because you're callous and you don't value your life value are viral. Your life value are viral. And that every man value them life more than the other man. And if your life value are viral, why your friend them life value to you? Where your girl life value to you? Where your family life value to you? You see it? As them slipping and kill them man, cause you bloodthirsty now. You want to see things, you know? You want to see blood more than all you that try to de-escalate things. You see it? You don't want a reason for kill nobody, really? You see it? And they could fake crap thing a year. And they could think what for trigger your paranoia, man. They make you glad if you throw down a man in the dirt, man. You know, in one of your best friend, them, man. You would like you, no matter what nobody do for you, you know. You don't have no emotion, you don't have no compassion for humanity. You know, see it, when you want to see people, when you want people to see you and move them way, you want everybody fear you and come bow down to you and kneel down to you and them see you pass. Poor people give away them have and them type of thing there for the few weeks where you have left to live. You know, see it? If the police get them hand on you, them lucky. Because I don't think youth and youth so silly for have and trust you round them. You are heat. You will make police want to get rid of the whole crew. We get rid of your whole community. You make police and soldier want to just come camp in any community where you come from. So that's nothing else like you. No breed up again out there. You know, see it? Any girl who sleep with you and a laugh and a smile with you and a tell you say, oh yeah, kill yeah, whatever. Them not trust you. Them afraid of you and them can't wait for you dead. You know, see it? And like myself, the resource where usually employ for uptown people was being employed in a ghetto, your girl sell you yes to them, man. Like the girl sell you a long time, man. If there was like, if the government did intend to fight crime and make people know say watch a man. We have a $1 million, a $2 million or a $2 million for any murder, plus whatever reward people come up with for add on top of that. Private sector and all them people, because all them where, because it benefit them too. So the government can do this, back it somewhat. You know, see it? And all them little things there too. You know, see it? When you call, you know, see it from your information, safe and all of them things there. We take your bank account too. And straight away from where you for proof, so where you say right. Your money just going in your bank account. We not contact you again now, nothing. And all. You see, if the government is interested in set up all them type of fight there against crime, you own a woman, man. Sell you out yesterday, man, and this man in her bank account, fat man, she feel better have that in her bank account than you side of her or anywhere near her. Anybody where is connected to you right now afraid and scared of you, Rasta. Anybody, you're not safe. You're not safe. If you think so, with a nature like that, with a video like that, you see, if you feel say you safe amongst anybody where you feel so close to you, is only if you think so. Nobody don't know say you that on the video. I tell you that. And from you video it, from you feel the need for video it, people see it already. You show people, and you share it too, like I say, you have to share it, man. You video it, and nobody stand up somewhere and video it and share it. And you video it yourself and share it. You see it? You bring the whole argument of Jamaican criminality into disrepute. There is criminality that exists. Man like me can laugh. Kang after you. Cause I know criminality that a bait boy attention seeking movie star type thing. That a autograph you want to sign ya. Autograph you want to sign next, man. You see it? Now, attention you're desperate for, man. You see it? And if I no attention, man, like me say, your desire is to give up your responsibility where you have a road. Cost of living too high. I better you just go a prison, go lie down and make government feed you, make taxpayers feed you with a little rubbish that them feed people in a jail. You see, all that look like it need to get worse. Because that the crap the way them are serving, they look like it's a encourage and a persuade them to go come in. You see? I can't. Nah. That's not attractive. That's not encouraging. That's not seductive to any form of human nature whatsoever. Unless you're sick. I'm going mad people come like a rubbish pan and I eat over the one in a prison, you know, to be fair, you know. Because you don't know where them food they come from. You know, see, first thing me say I water boot, the man them walk up and down in the banana, you know, for crush it. Water boat. A man have to go walk up and down in that and a chat and a sweat, spit a fly. And all of them things, the sweat a drop and all a ear a drop. And them things that go on. You know see, and them things that you love. Lie down side a man for the rest of your life. Because you don't try to hide your crime. Nah, man. And some famous thing, and some American thing, I say, American infiltrate our culture to the extent whereby even the type of crime them becomes totally American. You know, see, it becomes foreign. Jamaica is totally foreign, invaded and influenced somewhat. You know, see, yeah, man. Yeah, them tattoo there. Nah, go really. Nah, help your cause. Worse if you get arrested already, because them there in a police document, you know, description and thing like that. And all the police them have to do a freeze frame the video, get some expert of move the shadows them and all them things. They move all the hand to and make all the tattoo alone upon all a white screen. And know what it is. Them Jamaica technologically advanced to that degree. You know, me know that. You know, see it. So yeah, the police them need to show some of them resources too, no. And them think the why there's no deterrent. You know see, from them blatant, sick, sadistic insult here to everything. You see, the police force and every soldier them and everybody. Bad man don't really ramp with them way and jar them out like that, like you really want to turn them into your enemy. You know the force where them come with. And we know the resource where them can afford. You know see it. This is no joke. That's no joke. So you know really, you know, do certain things where you draw them attention to you, like so well then you're the biggest child in the family. And you need the most attention. You need the most look at. You want a hug every minute. Eh? Eh? It's ludicrous. Yeah, man. And you deserve the full big English book. Big English law book when I'm over here named the Archibald. Yeah, man. You deserve that, man. You know, see it. Knock you out with it. Never say, I want to you, man. I want, you know, see it. Think it's a joke. You know, see it. I said the police them catch you before you friend them who paranoid of your right here now. Because your life no value nothing. Obviously, you show that to them. So, for them life no value nothing to you either. It value less than a video. It value less than a viral video. You know see? Because your life just value that. You know see? But consider the consider the effect we have on the police force. You see, and while me there smile and I laugh, me no want forget to say condolences to the family. You see it, and all who have lost, suffer that loss. You see it. You see it. Yeah, man, but you beware, youth. A year time next, man, and it's sharp around the corner. If it was all certain England and America, the same country, them where you try to portray them mentality, them nature there. If it was them country that you live in, you know. And you are the next man get caught by the police for any crime we happening in that country there, you know. Yeah, man, you're first on the list, man, and no matter where you are. Because you're easy hunt and catch, you know, easy hunt and catch. And I'll be surprised if you elude the Jamaican police and soldier for very much longer. You might not even get to see that video here. You know, it should be a result. Because it's a waste man, Rasta. You see, big idiot thing that nobody enough to trust you. Any girl from now on will make you lie down upon them. Me want to ready mix cement, them just tip out a load of cement in her hole and black her up. She can't take no more, man. She just go walk. Yeah, any woman will lie down with her baby mother or what. You know, see, yeah, you forget them for just push you out, man. Them for just making uncomfortable. You have to just, if you're not turning in yourself yet, like what we say, careful of your friend, them, Rasta. Careful of them. Share, like, and subscribe. Share that one.